Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the email that I received from Tesla. It's more like a promotion email, it's marketing email, and see what they have. So basically, this is what I got like 2 days ago. It says FSD supervised supercharging and more. Cybertruck is ready for immediate delivery. Order from our inventory, and you get 1 year free of supercharging. And when you take delivery of a new Cyber Beast, you'll receive our Lux package complete with full self-driving supervised, supercharging, and premium connectivity, plus 4 years of premium service. Browse inventory in your area to get started. So let's take a look. All right, see what they have. Because I know the Cybertrucks, Tesla is having a hard time selling it because it's just, I think the price is way too much for it. As you can see here, we have a whole bunch and it's in reduced price, like $4,600. Right? All these are demo vehicle. It's $4,600. Is that the most discount you can get right now? So you're looking at, this is a lease price, right? So let's say, what if we were to finance it? So this one right here is $62,000, long range. 354-mile range, right? Interior is black, wheels, towing package, and 1 year of supercharging. So we got like a few, and these are other vehicles that are not qualified. So, but let's say we go with the 62,000, and we can take a look. So this vehicle is here. It's a new vehicle, right? It's lease it, but let's say we were to finance it. Then you're looking at about $1,057 a month. Tow package, textile seats, everything's here. And zero pay APR if you were to get it with supervised FSD, right? So this is a long range. This is what you get with it. Towing package, full self-driving, we know that is $8,000 right there. So yeah, but let's see if we can find a beast. Do they have the Cyber Beast? Let's see. Let's check on the trim, the Cyber Beast. I'm pretty sure they do. Cyber Beast, 108, the cheapest one we have, and the most discount. Let's take a look at it and see. So this one, $108,000. Adjustment, almost $7,000. Right? This come with almost everything's nice. It's free supercharging. I think. This is where the Tesla are going to be able to move the inventory, the free supercharging, because you think about it, the Cybertruck is huge in the battery size. So if Tesla doesn't limit on how much battery you can use, free supercharging, and if you just happen to live somewhere near a supercharger, or maybe it's not that far away, you can take advantage of this, because you know what? You just need if you use a lot of electricity at your home, because right now I spend like, I think something like the Edison is increasing on the price wise. For the last 2 years, I didn't have to pay any of the monthly payment, because I signed up with the annual, right? But for this year, actually last year I got a payment of like $360 or $380 for the whole year, and now I see that my monthly payment goes up like a lot. First, the last payment was last month was like $35, and now it's like $44. So it keep on increasing. And looking at the bill, it's really hard for me to say or to know what they're charging me, right? But if you have this one, you know, you install like a smart panel, or we get like another outlet where you can use your Cybertruck at nighttime, right? So I think if this is a really good deal, if you can afford a Cybertruck, I would suggest you go ahead and buy with the Cybertruck, because Tesla, they do not give free supercharging quite often, and even Elon Musk once said before that it's not doable for a company to like for longevity of it, because you know they know that, and the Tesla are really smart, so they come up with new incentive to get rid of it. So if you're looking at the buying like any Tesla on the inventory, you will not see one with the full self-driving listed in it. Everything has been removed. So if you're lucky, you buy from a third party, then yeah, you might be able to transfer the full self-driving from that to the other ones. But if not, you're gonna have to right now. And from what I'm reading, looks like Tesla gonna go down with the subscription. So eventually, we're not gonna be able to get the $8,000 upright, because the subscription model it's the one that's keeping the company continue its revenues monthly. So every single company's out there, they want subscriptions. You think about it, Microsoft, even all of those small company like antivirus company, you used to pay like what, $20, $30, $80 a year. Now they want you subscribe to a monthly subscriptions, right? And they limited the number of the PCs you have. So, before you know it, everything will be subscription. That is just the way that the whole business model is going for any companies out there. So if you can afford a Cybertruck, and if you can go with the Cyber Beast, they have the Lux package, which is beautiful, you know what I mean? But that's it only if you can afford it, It's not like something like 40, 50,000. It's 108,000. You add all the taxes in, right? You might get even like probably out the door 113, 112. So, but with everything that they have right now, because Tesla can't even move the inventory in the Cybertruck, way too expensive, and if they lower the price, they won't make any money. So they have to keep the price and just give the incentive, right? So let's take a look on what other incentive that Tesla is having towards the end of the month wise, because as you know, the $7,550 or $7,500, it's going to go away by the end of the month. So here, according to Sawyer's, here's a new post. Tesla has updated its referral program in the U.S. and Puerto Rico. When someone uses your referral code and buys a Model S or X Cybertruck, they'll receive a $1,000 discount towards their car purchase. That is nice. $1,000 off too. So, and buyers of the Model 3 and Y still get the 3 months of supervised full self-driving, and the referral, the referral, which is Sawyer or myself, then we get $250. So, which is nice, right? And let's see what Sawyer's has to say more. So, as far as like the robo-taxi, Tesla is improving and they're expanding territory. So it was a small area of Austin, Texas, and now they're going into another state. I believe Arizona, they just approved Tesla. So looking at the robo-taxi, we might think maybe like in a couple months. I would say give it about maybe right now 2025, about maybe 5 years down the line before they fully have robo-taxi, right? Maybe like roll out nationwide. So don't expect that anytime soon. Yeah, we just talked about this, the Lux package here. So, and I believe that like Tesla right now, if you're getting 2026 Juniper, they're expanding additional year of warranty. I think it's 7 years now. So, which is good, because what does that mean when they offer like a longer warranty on their vehicles? They probably tested it and they know that, any parts that they warranty, most likely it will go past that time frame before they even warranty it. So that means the quality wise is getting better, and they're standing behind their what they sell. So which is good, right? Because most companies don't offer that long. But that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla or referral code, I want to say thank you to the ones that have been using the referral code in the description. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But other than that, take care. Be safe. Till next time.